These are the questions from my course project. The product I will be seeking is The Right Side of History: How Reason and Moral Purpose Made the West Great. It's a book that explains much of the thought process, moral codes, and ideas that led to the foundation of the Western world, or the West. The reason I chose this product is because I like reading books, and the price was not very high. It only ended up costing $18.13, including tax. So I decided to pre-order it just over 2 months ahead of the release date. I pre-ordered it on January 17, 2019, and the release date for the book was on March 19, 2019. I saved around $8.40. Shipping was also free when I purchased the book this way because originally the price was $25.19 excluding tax, but because I pre-ordered it, I got the book at the lowest price before the release date, which was only $16.79 excluding tax. The main reason why I chose Amazon to purchase the book is because it's the first website that the author mentioned for people to pre-order the book if they wanted to purchase it early. He also mentioned using Barnes Noble if you wanted to pre-order it, but I use Amazon a lot to buy other things and I already had an account on it, so I just went ahead and pre-ordered the book on Amazon after he first told me about it, or first mentioned it on the podcast. I first heard about the book through a broadcast on YouTube. After hearing about the product, I searched for the title of the book by typing it into Google. First result that showed on Google was Amazon, which is very convenient because that's exactly the place that I wanted to purchase the book from. I clicked on the website and made sure that it had the correct title. I also made sure that the name of the author matched up with the name of the guy that was provided on YouTube, which was Ben Shapiro. I found the book on Amazon with the correct author, and then I pressed the Add to Cart button. Then my next step involved me clicking on the Proceed to Checkout button to select my shipping address. Since I use Amazon a lot, I was already logged into my Amazon account and gave me the option to choose Deliver to this address. My current address was displayed. After I clicked the Deliver to this address button, it gave me five to six different delivery options ranging from 1-day shipping to free shipping or even standard shipping. I ended up choosing the free shipping option. After I chose the free shipping option, I clicked the Continue button. The next step displayed a list of credit cards and debit cards that I previously used before. On Amazon, I chose my current and value credit card and pressed the Continue button. The last step it showed was my order along with the number of products I was buying, which was one, like the quantity, and it was only one, along with the shipping and handling costs, which were subtracted since I chose the free option. Then I pressed the Place Your Order button, and then I was sent a confirmation email that confirmed I had purchased the book. The measures that protect my personal information: Amazon gave me the option to use the preferred previous payment I used before, which is my current credit card. They implement a payment method that only reveals the last 4 digits of my credit card number when they are confirming an order. So when I placed an order for the book, they only showed the last 4 digits. The 4 digits that were displayed were the same ones on my credit card, so I knew it was the correct one. They also use Secure Sockets Layer SSL, which is able to encrypt the information that I entered when I purchased the product. Amazon mentions that while they may send offers to certain people of customers like me who use Amazon, they never will give the company my name and my address. They also state that anytime the information about me may get sent to another company or outside source, I will have the option to decline and not have my information shared. And all this is mentioned on their website. What measures are used by the vendor to secure my transaction? After I pressed the Place Your Order button, I was sent a confirmation email that confirmed everything about the order, such as the shipping speed, the total price, and information about the product itself. Secure Sockets Layer was used along with Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, or HTTPS for short, to secure my transaction. How long was the shipping set up for? I selected the free shipping option, which stated that it would take up to 5 to 8 business days to arrive. Luckily, it was less than that. How long did it actually took for my book to arrive? The book itself did not reach regular brick and mortar bookstores until March 19th on Tuesday. However, since I pre-ordered the book online through Amazon in January, my book actually shipped on Monday, March 18th, one day earlier. The book shipped on Monday, March 18th, and arrived at my house around the middle of the day on Wednesday, March 20th, just 2 days later. The condition in which the product arrived: the book came in a box with lots of bubble wrap around it to protect it while it was being shipped. The book itself was in perfect condition. It looked exactly the same as a brand new book you would find at a physical bookstore. If I bought this book in a brick and mortar shop, it would come in the bag that is given to me at checkout. There would be no box or bubble wrap to protect it. I may have could have found the book one day earlier. Like I could have gotten it one day earlier if I went and bought it at a certain store, like on Tuesday, the day it was released. Well, that could have happened. Some stores I've gone to buy other books, I'll go on the same day it's released, and it's not always there. So I'm not guaranteed I would have been able to got the book on the one day earlier. Whereas I paid for it. It was only like 18 bucks. It was like $8 cheaper, and I got the book one day late. So I think it was a really good shopping experience. And the book Gravity Permission. And this is my book right here with the bubble wrap and the box. Thank you.